Hello, Miss Golden Girl here, and I'm just going to be brief. I just want to share my passion. Traveling is my passion, and I'm telling you, it's interesting getting back to my seasonal job after my 6 weeks vacation. I am a retiree. So here it goes. Here's my story for this video. The life of a retiree, embracing my golden years as a seasonal worker / content creator, chasing awesome content to bring you. Hey, this is a doozy, y'all. I'm going to share my travel route to my seasonal job for this next season, the summer season, in order to avoid the tornadoes. I am truly, truly blessed. I left Battle Creek, Michigan after getting my windshield replaced on Thursday at 3 p.m. and I traveled to Naperville, Illinois. And my plan was to then go south and connect with I-70, go through Missouri and Kansas into Colorado. Well, I found out on Friday while still in the Naperville, Illinois area that a tornado touched down in Battle Creek, Michigan around 11 p.m. Thursday night. So I avoided that. I made the decision that I wanted to start making some progress on the trip back to Colorado, even if I just drove about 3 hours. I'm so glad that God guided me to do that. So I avoided the tornadoes in Battle Creek, Michigan. So finding out Friday, listening to the weather, I decided to change my route and not to go south, but to go north. Well, when I woke up Saturday morning, getting ready to get on the road, I listened to the Weather Channel, and tornadoes had touched down in St. Louis, Missouri. I was going to be traveling that route, I-70, into Colorado. So I looked at my map, and I decided to go all the way north up to I-90, even avoiding I-80, which that would have taken me into Des Moines, Iowa, into Omaha, Nebraska. But they were talking about some tornadoes there also. So I went all the way up north to Rochester, Minnesota, and I'm going to take 90 across. I'm going to take 90 across to South Dakota, Rapid City, South Dakota. And then I'm going to travel Rapid City, South Dakota to Denver, and then travel from Denver to Mountain Village, Colorado. My route, my revised route, in order to avoid the tornadoes. My travel route, revised travel route to get back to Mountain Village, Colorado for the summer season. The life of a seasonal worker. The life of a retiree. Pursuing my passion. Traveling is my passion. And I say, when life give you lemons, make lemonade. So, stay tuned as I bring you along on the next season, the summer season, a new beginning. All right, take care. Love you. God bless.